Good morning, Theta Gang. This is Mikey Millions here, and I would like to share some good news with you. Webull has officially rolled out NASDAQ Advanced Quotes Levels 1 and 2, which are great tools for us traders. For disclosure, I wrote up a script about this video last month that I planned on publishing when Webull introduces spreads. However, since this YouTube channel is rock solid, the marketing team at Webull reached out to me and offered me a $300 sponsorship for a video on advanced quotes this month. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. In full disclosure, Webull is paying me $300 to release this video, which is earlier than I planned to since they haven't released spreads yet. As for the good news, Webull is introducing Level 1 advanced quotes for free forever, and then Level 2 for free until November 20th, and then for only $1.99 a month after that, which is about the price of one share of Hertz. Normally, Level 2 is an expensive subscription that typically charges $25 a month at most full-service brokerages. You can find it for free at some brokerages if you really dig, but then you'd be dealing with commissions on their platform and account minimums. Webull is making it almost free with no strings attached. If Robinhood led the commission-free revolution, Webull is leading the advanced quote revolution. So, what are Level 1 and 2 quotes? Level 1 offers real-time updates on the best bid-ask on a stock. Since it's real-time, it's easier for you to determine the exact time to buy shares at the price you want. Also, you'll be able to see how many shares are being offered at that price, so it's easier for you to see how likely you are to get an order filled at your order size. Therefore, Level 1 quotes gives you an indication of how many shares of a particular security can be sold at a particular price. For example, as shown in this picture, you can see that there are 900 lots, or 90,000 shares of NEO ready to be bought at $27.31, and 22,000 ready to be sold at $27.32. If you are a big trader looking to sell 100,000 shares, you'd know that there may not be adequate volume in the market for a $27.32 sell limit order, so you'd have to sell some shares at $27.32 and the rest at $27.31 to get the best price. For those of you who play with more thinly traded stocks, this is a great tool for you. It will also give you an indication of momentum because you'll be able to identify whether there is more demand for shares or more selling pressure. In the case of NEO above, the momentum is to the upside. The Level 2 quotes go a step further and allow traders to see the order book that lists the market maker's orders, so you can determine levels of support and resistance and measure momentum accordingly. For example, Level 1 quotes on Apple show that there is strong demand for shares at $112.25 and very little supply at $112.39. It looks like there is nothing standing in the way of a big price rise when you're looking at Level 1. Surely, that one lot of shares at $112.39 will get bought up, and Apple will ride the momentum higher. If we look at Level 1 quotes, this is a perfect buy point. But if you flip to Level 2 quotes, we get more data beyond the best real-time bid-ask price. We can now see where most orders are concentrated among market makers, so we can better anticipate support and resistance. In the case of Apple that we just looked at, we see this thick wall of sell orders at $112.50. Look at that, 16,200 blocks, so 1.6 million apples looking to be sold at $112.50. Level 2 quotes allows us to see that brick wall resistance point, whereas Level 1 quotes do not. All of that for $2 a month after the free promotion running through November expires is truly unheard of. There are also Level 3 quotes, but by law, they're only available to market makers who use them to change bids, offers, and order sizes for securities, just in case anyone is curious. For traders like us, there are a lot of benefits of using Level 1 and 2 quotes. I understand the skepticism you may have because this is a sponsored video, but I can tell you now, I'm not blowing smoke here over a $300 sponsorship. If you make good use of advanced quotes, you'll be several steps ahead of the average trader who does not, and it'll give you a competitive advantage in trading both stocks and options. I'm personally making deposits into Webull myself. The big plays in the account are Norwegian Cruise Lines and American Airlines wheels, for those who are curious. I want to keep the account above $25,000 to avoid the pattern day trade rule, because once spreads are available to trade here, Webull is going to become the go-to broker for those who need advanced analysis tools. If you do trade spreads right now like I do, I still recommend creating a Webull account just for the Level 1 and 2 quotes to get used to the platform and to get some buy and hold shares in your account. Once spreads are available, It will be time to make the leap from Robinhood to Webull. And to entice the crowd, Webull is offering 2 free shares for anyone who opens an account with a $100 deposit. These shares will have a minimum value of $8 each, so it's a nice start. And perhaps best of all, Webull has a phone service unlike Robinhood, so you can actually communicate with your broker if you have any questions or need help. Imagine that. It's much more efficient and convenient. So, that's today's video. Consider getting on board with Webull. I already have. Let's take advantage of all these phenomenal technical tools that you won't see anywhere else for this price. Have a good week, everyone, and I'll see you next time.